In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a signature in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know how to handwrite a clean, reusable signature right inside a Google Doc using the built-in drawing tool. No add-ons, no uploads, just a few clicks. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so you can access your files. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, click the grid icon, sometimes called the App Launcher. From that menu, choose Drive to open your Google Drive. Inside Drive, open the document where you want to place your signature. This works best with Google Docs documents. Once your document is open, look along the top toolbar and click Insert. This is where Google Docs keeps tools for adding things like images, charts, and drawings. From the Insert menu, choose Drawing, then select New. This opens the drawing canvas, which is a simple space where you can sketch and create shapes. Don't worry if you're not an artist. The next step is designed specifically for quick handwriting. At the top of the drawing window, find the Line tool. It looks like a small diagonal line. Click the tiny arrow next to it to open the drop-down and choose Scribble. Scribble lets you draw freehand. Now use your mouse or trackpad to write your signature across the canvas in a smooth motion. If you need a moment to practice, that's perfectly fine. Use the undo arrow at the top if you want to try again. You can also adjust the line weight and color using the toolbar so your signature looks bolder or matches the style you prefer. When your signature looks the way you want, click Save and Close in the top right corner of the drawing window. Your signature will drop directly into your document at the cursor position. From here, click the signature once to select it, then drag a corner handle to resize it so it fits neatly on the signature line. You can also click and drag to move it into the perfect spot. If your text shifts around, use the text wrapping options below the image to set it to inline, wrap text, or break text, depending on your layout needs. That's it. You went from Google to Drive, opened your document, used Insert, Drawing, New, chose Scribble, drew your signature, and saved it into the page. You now have a clean, reusable signature ready for your documents. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and replay as you follow along.